Hi everyone, today we're gonna have a video how we're gonna replace the screen from Samsung S4, which is a little bit damaged. Basically, before we start, we need to make sure we have all the elements that we need, which is necessary to perform this changing. So we have the new screen. We have new screen. Also, it's gonna be for sticking the elements, and also some little toolkit. You know, when we order the new screen, you're gonna receive this one as well. Hair dryer, yeah, and also you put like a towel when you put the hair dryer to avoid, you know, blowing everything out. Right. So basically, when we start, we switch off the phone. So we're making sure we switch off, and then you remove the back cover. You have to remove the back cover. Then we remove the battery as well. So basically we're gonna remove the battery. This is wireless receiver for charging the battery without plugging in. So we remove the battery obviously, and once we remove the battery, we start the hair dryer and making sure it's a heat, and we start on heat. Okay. Okay, then we have this one. We just stick this one on the screen, to make sure we help it. We're gonna have some help in this. Using this one, we go very slowly on one of the sides and see if we can start to open in here. Okay, so we need to open more. Okay, so basically after this proper heat up, you just go very slowly in side to side, just to, you know, detach the previous screen from the LCD. You need to make sure use this operation very slowly, otherwise you can break the LCD and then will be a higher cost on LCD. And we don't want to have any problems. Okay, and here as well, we need a little bit. Okay, so as you can see, we completely remove the previous screen. Once the screen is removed, we're making sure we have all the elements in the place, and we have to fit them back in the same place, making sure everything is fine. My advice is before we're gonna proceed with placing the other screen, what we have to do, we need to we need to detach the previous glue, but you need to be very careful when you proceed this operation, avoiding to damage any parts of the phone. Yeah, so this, you need to take your time, do not be rush, not doing in rush. So try to slowly, one by one, remove those little bits. Yeah. You can see now it's going very easy. Okay, like this. So all the parts from the first is completed. Now in the second part, okay. It's very sticky, so be careful to not damage any of your other components. Like this. So finally, we're nearly finished now. This one for the moment out. To be very careful with the LCD because it's very sensible and very easy to break. Okay, nearly finishing here. As you can see, the original always very hard to remove. Okay, so once we remove this one, yeah, we make sure there is nothing on the sides, but very slowly and careful because we may damage in the LCD in certain cases. So once it's like this, then what you have to do, you have this special towel which helping you to clean the surface of LCD. You need to be patient with this because, as I said before, it could be very easy to break, and then the cost of this operation is going to be higher by buying a new one, a new LCD, which normally costs now between 60 and 70 pounds. Right. Okay. I have to stick this one back. Okay. now it's back. Okay, we have the new tags. So basically we need to remove these ones and attach to our screen. Okay, they already have the edge cutting. So after fixing this sticker back again, make sure no gaps and is proper lying there. Clean again this one very slowly. Okay. Then we need to take the new one and have a look. Also, we have to clean it. We clean it properly. So after we making sure everything is on the place, yeah, we're gonna fix the new screen. We're gonna fix the new screen. Start with the bottom line. Yeah. And then slowly go around with all this one. And now start to press a little bit. Yeah. Press the sides, all the sides, until it stick in the frame. This operation need to be very smooth to avoid any cracks or any other problems. Once you are completely sure it goes in the case, there is no way to come out. Yeah, your operation is finished. Okay, let's have a go and have a look. Now we need to reattach the battery. So, battery back, and then obviously put the back cover as well. Okay. Yeah. So obviously start. Let's have a look what's happening. touchpad is going fine. Go back. Okay, go to apps. So it's working fine. Let's go to YouTube. Okay. Obviously we can you can go and search something. For example, let's see. Okay.
There are presentations, and there are stewards' presentations. Glorious celebrations of the efficiencies of Coldwell District Council. Times New Roman may be fine for Susan in waste
working,
management,
yep,
but not
working
for our
fine. Thank you very much.
Stewart earned